Kalugtog over Alangigan no may naman nagbuyat ti Candon City pagpaspasyaran may parparnamat nga adi talugtog niya na barkada mo lang taga talugtog.
Receiver, pass on jersey number 6. Sakata, sure. Save on 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Shout out Mayor ng Candon City, Mayor Erickson Simpson and the local government unit ng Candon City.
2 points.
Shout out, big shout out.
This is number 25. 34-23. Number 16. Number 9. Going to shoot. Sakata. Sure. And using the power with the jersey number 10. Ganawal. Waiting on the song with the jersey number 2. 26-25. Blocking foul with the jersey number 12. Russell. 26. Last one.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Reggie Candano Official po sa YouTube channel. Please subscribe Reggie Candano Official YouTube channel po. Please subscribe Reggie Candano Official. Facebook po, paki-follow Reggie Candano. Thank you so much. Personal page next in line.
Jose, makes out the goal. 42-27. The block now. It's just over there. That's it. 42-28. Last
Ala, ibang basketball to. Ibang basketball to. Ano nangyari dito? Nag-aaway na! Nag-aaway na! Rumble ang basketball, mga kaibigan, mga kapuso, mga katropa. Nakita mo? Nakita mo? Away o gulo. Ito ang basketball sa Candon City, no? Nakikita mo? Away o gulo. Medyo mainit ang labanan yan. Nag-uusap yung mga coach kada team ng Talugtog at saka Langigan. Nakikita nyo yun, sinuntok agad, no? So, mamaya pag-uusapan kung itutuloy pang laban, okay? Tapos na ang labanan. Awarding na best player na mga Talugtog team. Thank you. Good evening. Reggie Candano official YouTube channel. Reggie Candano Facebook. Reggie Slobat Rock TikTok. Malpit na kajuit. Try mo ako. And then po Instagram Reggie Candano. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. God bless. Sunday, Candon City.